I was wondering if I own property and I wanted to leave it to my parents at my death.
Right.
Can I just do the enhanced life estate? And then how does that affect the ownership and the taxes?
Okay. So an enhanced life estate deed is also known as a ladybird deed. It's a tool to avoid probate on real estate. That deed would state that as long as you are alive, it is your home to do with as you please. But when you pass away, the home would automatically go to your parents. No headaches, no hassles, no probate. When you do this ladybird deed, it does not affect your real estate taxes at all. It is neutral for real estate taxes. Your real estate taxes won't go up, they won't go down. Jerry, does that answer the question for you?
Yes, I have one more part of it. If I am the owner and it's still my property while I'm alive, if I live in an HOA, then am I still the one who has the right to vote, or am I giving the right to vote?
No, it says as long as you're alive, it is your property. Therefore, you're the one that's doing HOA voting. The deed, it says that as long as you're alive, your parents have no interest in this property. They only have an interest in this property once you have passed away.
And then the one last part of that is after I have someone prepare the deed and it's signed and witnessed and recorded, which I guess is a procedure.
Right.
Suppose I change my mind and I want to revoke that and assign someone. What would the legal process be to do that?
That's the beauty of this deed, is that if you do this and 6 months later you want to change your mind, sell the property, refinance the property, you will be able to do so without your parents' knowledge, signature, and consent. So if 6 months from now you said, Tom, I want to change it and not go to my parents, I want to go to a friend, we would do a new ladybird deed, and that new ladybird deed would cancel out the old ladybird deed.
Okay, so first in time, the one that's first in time would be irrelevant because the new one would cancel out
The one that is most recent is the one that's going to count, Jerry.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hey, Jerry, we have a free booklet on ladybird deeds here at the Olson Law Group. If you want us to mail you that free booklet, just call us anytime or go through our website, olsonlawgroup.com, and we would be pleased to assist you with that ladybird deed. Just call our office next week, Jerry. We'll set up a time to get that done for you.
Okay, thank you. I'd love it.
Thank you, Jerry. We appreciate it. And Holly, as you know, we use ladybird deeds on a regular basis.
Regular. It is part and parcel of what we do here.
When we're doing estate planning for people, we go through the documents we're doing for them, and then I always say the words, and now we're going to talk about avoiding probate, and the clients shake their head, go, yeah, I want to avoid probate, because either they've been through it with their parents and they know it's expensive and takes a long time, or they've heard stories, so people are all about avoiding probate, and this ladybird deed is a tool to avoid probate on real estate. It might be your home, but it might be any other piece of property that you own.
Correct. It could be the beach home, the rental home. The only thing we need to make sure is it's Florida real estate.
And we can do it even if you got a mortgage on that piece of property.
Absolutely.
Hey, buddy, thanks so much for all your great calls and questions. We do so much appreciate it. If I may, a suggestion for you, go outdoors and take pleasure in the beauty of nature. And as always, enjoy your friends and family. My name is Tom Olson. The name of the show is Olson on Law. You're listening to WDBO.